जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 22nd श्लोक. श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा teaching to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, in your day-to-day routine, in your life, all of your torn out clothes, what are you doing? You are just discarding them and getting new clothes, new garments. So also you, that means soul, the jiva, when this body gets torn out, that soul departs from that body and takes new body. Here the question is, how are you deciding that this body is torn out? Clothes, you know, when it is torn out, when you cannot wear anymore. But how can you decide that the body is torn out? Krishna Paramatma saying that, no, you cannot decide. Because this body is made by me. This body is given to you by me. I am the one who put you in this body. At that time, I decide this body to be used by you for so and so time. It may be 1 year, it may be 2 years, it may be immediately soon after the birth, it may be 10, it may be 50, it may be 100 years. That is up to me. The moment that time is over, you are just leaving this body and receiving and getting another body. So that is whenever you are getting to live or whenever you are getting to see others are leaving the bodies, you have to remember my decision. You have to remember that, yes, Krishna Paramatma decided upon this like this. We cannot do anything. That means you have to also realize that this body is no more eligible for that soul to use for further experience of his past deeds. This is what you should remember. This is how Krishna Paramatma asking all of us to realize the death of anyone is nothing but Krishna Paramatma's decision, and that soul is getting another new body for which everybody has to feel happy but not to worry about that. So just like as and how when we are getting new garments, we are feeling happy. We are not worrying about that. Krishna Paramatma giving us this teaching, having this essential teaching of Krishna Paramatma running in our mind. Let us now try to repeat the same words which are spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Vasamsi jirnani yadha vihaya navani grhnati naroparani tadha sarirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking all of us to do the following 8 works. Krishna Paramatma saying that always make sure that your mind is occupied with me and you become my devotee. You do all your activities as my service. You do namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry anymore. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall always make sure that my mind is occupied with you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do all my activities as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep spreading this Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatarajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, Ho Saunaka, Vidura came down to Hastina. Dharmaja and everyone received Vidura very well and gave him a beautiful simhasanam, and now everyone sitting around Vidura while Vidura is relaxing in his simhasanam. Now Dharmaja is saying to Vidura so that everybody can also listen to it. Ho Viduradeva, we all been raised under your vision. You know that as how many of troubles myself and my brothers, my mother, we all went through. Kauravas, they even fed us poisonous rice. Kauravas, they put fire to our home. In all these troubles, you are the one who saved all of us. O Viduradeva, now please tell us, where did you go and what are all the places that you have visited? Kaya, Vrutya, Vartitam, Tirthani, Kshetra Mukhyani. How did you spend all these years and what are the places that you visited? O Viduradeva, Bhavadvidha Bhagavataha. You are such a great devotee. You are known as Bhagavatottama. I realize that wherever such great Bhagavatottamas goes, with their touch of their feet, those places gets purified. And whenever someone visits that kind of places, their sins will be completely washed off. To that extent, these Bhagavatottamas, Bhagavad Bhaktas, the divine feet has power. Such is your power, O Vidradeva. You always have a realization, visualization that Paramatma is there within your own heart. Svantasthena Gada Bhruta. Because your heart is very pure, Paramatma Gadadhari, more willing to, more happy to stay within your heart. That is how you all become very great. Also, O Vidradeva, in your visiting places, in the process of visiting so many places, definitely you might have visited Dwaraka. Definitely you might have visited Sri Krishna Paramatma. And all the people in Dwaraka, they all believe in Krishna Paramatma as Krishna is supreme. So they are all my bandhavas, they are all my known people, relatives. How are they doing, Vidura? You might have visited all of them. Sukhama sate. Are they happy? Are they happily serving Krishna there? Oh Vidradeva, please tell us everything related to all your visiting places and also about Dwaraka. Then Vidura is telling so many things to Dharmaja, but he did not mention anything about Dwaraka, anything about Sri Krishna Paramatma, anything about Yedukulam, the dynasty of Krishna Paramatma. Vina Yedukulakshayam, because that entire dynasty got destroyed. Vidura is not at all mentioning about that to Dharmaja, but he said so many other things. After that, because Vidura did not mention those things to Dharmaja, why? If he gets to say that, Dharmaja and everybody will start crying. Vidura cannot see Dharmaja and other people crying anymore. That is why he did not say anything about Yedukula Nasanam, that destruction of Yeduvamsam, to Dharmaja and other people. But he just stayed over there, Kanchit Kalam, because all the people, he likes them very much. They all like him very much. Vidura spent so many months over there. Everybody started respecting Satkruto Devavat. Everybody worshipping, revering, respecting Vidura Deva, just like just like Deva Purusha. Like that, Vidura spent so many days, and also Vidura wanted to do some kind of favor to Dhritarashtra while he is staying in Hastina. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 22nd sloka. Vasamsi jirnani yadha vihaya navani gruhnati naroparani tadha sarirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.